Have you ever wished to become a teacher? Have you ever wanted to educate children with the right skills and concepts in order to survive life's challenges? If you are a parent and you believe in the benefits of homeschooling, then you could be a homeschool teacher. With homeschooling, you have the option to teach your own child in ways that follow a particular homeschool curriculum. Hence, the learning process is not limited with the rules and regulations set by the typical school system. In homeschooling, the parents-turned-homeschool teacher can freely incorporate the right values and knowledge that they want their child to know. You do not need some specific technical requirements in order to become a homeschool teacher. What you need to have is the yearning to teach your children. Teaching your children how to learn things, and how to achieve something in life, will be a rewarding experience, as you watch them grow and achieve success. Homeschooling is a rapidly spreading alternative form of education. It requires a strong desire, but nothing too stringent. Even parents without a high school diploma can handle it. Planning for homeschool. Planning is essential for homeschooling, to make the flow of things smoother. Plan first the location. An extra room around the house can be perfect, however, if none is available, the dining room or the living room will do fine. Try using durable plastic bins as storage for the books, supplies, equipment and other stuff as well. Also, include in the schedule the amount of time allotted for each subject. Looking up resources and instructional materials. You do not need to put too much strain on the family budget to afford materials for homeschool instruction. If no curriculum is being followed, try to schedule enough topics and projects to last the whole school year. One can get tips online on which lessons to include plus the scope and the proper sequencing of lessons. Finding the right curriculum. If the parents are trying to adapt one for their child, it is important to determine the means the child learns best, by first-hand experience, listening, reading or the like. Homeschooling is a great educational experience for both parents and children. It is for the parents to be resourceful and creative to maximize the resources and the learning of their children. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Please stop by our site for more homeschooling info. If you are interested in a Christian, self-paced, online homeschooling course with customizable curriculum, just follow the link in the description.